Hi, do you have an iPhone? Have you been considering getting a pair of iPods? Don't want to drop the 130 to 160 some bucks? Geek.com, $14. Let's check them out.
Once again, the man's back.
And now, by popular request,
Here's the case that it shows up in that you charge. Here's the power on and off button. There's the back where you can hook it up into the charger. Now keep in mind when this shows up, here is your charge cable. Yeah, ridiculously short. You're going to need to connect something very close by, or you might want to consider hooking to a power charger cell like this. That's what I did to charge this. Okay, next up we're going to open it up, we're going to pair it. Okay, right out of the case, you have your left one and your right one. You can see right here. We chose black with 2 pair plus the case. That's why it's 14 bucks. You can get a single ear for $3 if that's your choice. Nice little item. Okay, my son Bryce is going to get it all set up. He's going to turn both of them on at the same time and then look for it on his phone to pair it up. Okay, so find the power button on the back, hold them both down. Okay, you can see it right here. It shows other devices, i7TWS. That's what you're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and tap that.
Oh, broad.
All right, and we're connected. Okay, let's do a sound test. Wow. Yeah, you can hear it from right there. It is really, really loud. Now we'll test a phone call a second. Hang on.
Red 5 standing by.
Hello.
Oh, you can hear it through it.
Can you hear really good?
Yeah.
Sound quality's good?
And before that, you can hear the thing typing the number and saying what number it is.
There we go. Very nice.
A few moments later.
Okay, after using this product for a while, I'm gonna have to give it a huge thumbs down. Don't buy these. They're junk. My son tried them out. He said they wouldn't hold the charge very long at all. A couple hours, like 4 tops, and they didn't want to keep a charge. So, yeah, I wouldn't recommend this product to anybody. Do not buy this crap. Thanks so much for watching. Always trying to give you guys honest, unbiased reviews of products.
On down and get places for the home games. Bring the kids. We got entertainment for the whole family.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.